up, y'all. I'm about to get my hair done. I'm about to get my wig and get in here. Get this head done. Let's see y'all. Steam.
Yeah.
Let's do one outside. You're welcome. Okay, I'm a Puerto Rican today. It's a good day. I'm about to stop by the beauty supply and try to pick up some more supplies for this room. So hey y'all, I'm back in the crib. Before I have got this, like, what? Sunscreen, my face now. This actually get me hella blue mascara from the Sephora brand. The blue mascara was $13. So y'all check this. Time to go do nails for the first time, for the first day of the suite.
Hey, rip out my shirt if you love me. Spit in my face when you fuck me. Play with my goose while you suck me. Eat the dick like you was ugly. I mean, hold on. Wait, where your friend bring your buddy? I don't think that you enough. Her favorite thing to say is comfy.
What's up, y'all? Just with my clients. I'm about to tidy up. I need a broom. I need a Swiffer in here. I just gotta run home and get that together.
Goose while you suck me. Eat the dick like you was ugly. Big dick energy, I give it. Don't believe me, then come feel it.
I want to see how it looks. Right here. Yeah, what is it? It's these on this.
Ain't this what you came to see? Let me be your muse. I'll inspire you in ways you won't believe. 50 shades and hues, tailor-made for you. Show me in the gap what you started. Go with your hands and you take my body. Go ahead and push up on me. Baby, when you want it, time to got it. I'll be.
Sis, my boyfriend, girl. I met my boyfriend, sister's nails. I'm about to sweep and leave, y'all.
I'll be your peace. I'll be your peace. Your head.
A reasonable time. I go to work at 2. It is like 12:30 right now. At work. Can you bring me something to drink? Have a good night. So I'm gonna be studying on my phone. I got my study guides. I'm gonna be studying with the old classmates this weekend. I'm gonna say that again, girl.
Oh, I was saying like another example of like a proper fraction would be 1/2, which is 1/2.
Right. And I'm gonna study more.
And you can do practice. Like what I'll do with you is like we'll go over like the paper stuff, and then like you can do practice questions at home because you'll have like the notes already written down.
Right. Paint.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink belt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Well, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't belling out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. That puppy so cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yet yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. Ooh. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Barbie ain't nothing to play about. He wanna play in a playhouse. they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm rubbing a stain out. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, don't let me go find me a pen. Look where it led, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie click. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back, so he losing it. And I give the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him brick. Yeah, they know who hit me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag.
Okay, help me.
You should have looked at the video.
What's wrong with it?
Nothing. If you like it, I like it.
What?
I ain't not be
Don't
trying
do
to
that,
tell
you
you.
can't keep moving, putting holes in here.
You don't be listening, boo. I tried to tell you.
I don't listen. You gotta pull it out for me.
I did. You took that motherfucker out. Let me see. The next color, what she doing them bitches at?
As it looked in the beginning.
Alright, this is what we need the picture. Go ahead.
I want black.
Black next?
Yeah. You said. Is that close enough? It is the next day. I'm in my suite. My boyfriend was a big help. Like when I tell y'all my man was a big help, he was a big help. So look at the room. I still gotta get an LED light, y'all, so don't worry. Look at my picture frames. I'm bringing culture, black culture, into this nail suite to make people feel comfortable. I wanted to feel very urban in here. This kind of resembles me in my skin tone because I wanted something that looked like me, kinda. So my Pampers, I will be putting the LED light in the center, y'all. So yeah, green is my favorite color. Green is my favorite color, as y'all can see. And my dream, my vision came to life. Supporting me in my GoFundMe, getting everything and the supplies. This is my TV, finally mounted. I'm hooking up the Roku. Pictures I got from Amazon, y'all. I'll link in my storefront. Super cute, super dope, super cool. Y'all see my cards? You see it? Yeah. You see book. Looking when I book it is up. Y'all see it? Boom. Apron. With my man. Let me rub my feet.
Tell her to my head.
You not gonna say hey boo? What?
Hey, Carol.
It's considered one. We just ain't dressed up.
Just get a shrimp ass.
You gonna do the shrimp?
Please.
Double shrimp or double black mussels?
Oh, you gonna eat that real fast?
Don't eat it all. I'm gonna get full. I'm gonna take it with me if I run out of time. We're gonna be once. Boo.
Fresh that bitch.
I'm telling you now. That's what we talking.
It's cool, boo. I'm not eating. I'm be eating that food. I'm gonna take a nap when I get to work, though.
Yeah, you need to start going to bed late. So we live together, you going to bed at a reasonable time. Yes.
To be out of here.
Hey y'all. I'm at work. I'm on my lunch break. I'm taking a 30, and my man, he ready to get in the car with me. Y'all know we work together. We had a seafood boil at 12 today, and then he spoiled me. He gave me some money. I love my man real bad. He know how to play his role as a man. So my water flosser, y'all, Amazon, link in bio. It's portable because I need to brush my teeth. I got my books. I'm studying for my T's for reading. I'm gonna keep taking these practice tests. I take the test on the 28th, y'all. So yeah, I'm excited. You girl, I want to be a nurse. Room is technically done decorated. I just gotta put the LED light up, y'all, and the room is done. And I can do a mirror later. I got the Roku, the TV mounted. So yeah, y'all, your girl is blessed and money is coming my way. But I gotta fix these edges. You know, I gotta carry this on the go because this summer heat, my edges is sweated out. I'm gonna start telling them to leave the baby hair in for real. Like, it's too much to worry about. It's too much hair. It's too much. Like, who want to keep doing this? But I'll just take my edge stuff on the go. It's cool. Like, it's no joke. Y'all, make sure y'all get y'all travel size edge control. I got a dentist appointment next week. Just found out, like, you still have to keep your teeth clean while wearing braces. I didn't know. Like, I thought the orthodontics did that, but no, they don't. They just remove them so I can get them clean by the dentist. But yeah, y'all, my room is done. My nail suite is done. I'm at work enjoying this break. There is an event coming up in the city. It's this braider. She's of age. She's trying to host like a brunch for beauty professionals. Nail techs, barbers, braiders, hairstylists, all those people. July 1st, it's on a Monday. We have to dress all in white. It's a white attire brunch celebration. We get to network, meet people, collab, create some content. You never know. I never know who I might meet in the city, but that's pretty dope for this lady to create that. It's in Richmond, Virginia. So I will be attending that. I just need to find a white dress or something like that on Fashion Nova. And I do need to buy some dresses and outfits for my date nights, because I want to go places with my man. And it's like, he's like my only friend. Like my best friend. So I really don't need friends. Like, I got him. He pours into me. He rubs my feet. He do anything I tell him to do, y'all. Good guy. It's going on 3 months. 3 months. We work together. We try not to, when we get in here, we try not to see each other too much, because it's a job at the end of the day. Keep it professional. But on the clock, like on break right here, he probably come out. We kick it. He gonna be coming in a few. But he took me out to eat today. He know I like a seafood boil. He kept hearing me talk about it. So I finally got my seafood boil. I got my seafood boil today. And then we got ready to come to work. I go to his house all the time, y'all. Like, I be kicking it. And I get dressed there, so. Life is beautiful, y'all. I just want to give y'all a little update. Like, y'all just been seeing me do everything, dibbling and dabbling everything. I'm really focused on getting in this nursing program, because I just need some stable. At the end of the day, your girl, when I get of age, I'm not gonna be doing nails forever. I'm not gonna be doing nails forever. If I want to get in the business too, I can run a business and be a nurse. I can learn lip filler and all that, and do nails, but that's not, you know, it doesn't just stop at nails, y'all.
Well, I came in here. I'm going to the meeting, bro. Why they all on my floor?
Why they all on your floor, boo?
I don't know, bro. They be on dick. I was mad at them because they ain't right nobody up but me and Joe. Put sleep in there. Yeah, like. That's
what, on stock X or something?
Nah, like that should be first time it come out. That should be like 8. But after you give it a couple of months to a year, to be 500.
What are you recording?
God, she wanna ask where I'm at. Why I ain't helping?
You said I remember you in the camp.
I ain't forget that, boo.
That's how they be. Remember the other one with the $35 haircut?
Yeah, calling niggas a bum? Like, what? That's why I don't need to go on there, bro. I'm gonna make my own shit and start commenting back.
And he won't even my man.
That was your man.
Whoa. Yeah, we was just talking. It wasn't.
They gonna be commenting that bullshit. I'm gonna be cussing them out.
That was me too. I had to get something.
That's why I ain't go through no YouTube, cause my shit ain't tough. It's tough, but
what you gonna be saying? You gonna get your account banned. You gotta just.
I ain't gonna cuss or nothing, but I'm gonna correct motherfuckers. Like, man, what up? Bleep, you talking? I'm gonna put bleep so they can know I'm cussing. Why I spell it wrong?
Yeah, but I be arguing with people. When I was in my peak, I was arguing with people.